Dear viewers, you are most welcome to my online class on genetics. Today we discuss incomplete dominance deviation of Mendel's first law. I think this class will be very helpful for us. At first we discuss some deviations of Mendel's first law. Today we discuss incomplete dominance. In next class we discuss codominance and other deviation is lethal gene. Incomplete dominance is a form of intermediate inheritance in which one allele for a specific trait is not completely dominant over the other allele in heterozygous condition of organism. This results in a third phenotype in which the expressed physical trait is a combination of the dominant and recessive phenotypes. It was first described by Carl Correns 1903 in Mirabilis jalapa, commonly known as 4 o'clock plant. Explanation of independent assortment. We use capital R gene for dominant allele responsible for red flower. Small r means recessive allele responsible for white flower. Capital R, pure or homozygous for red flower. Small r, pure or homozygous for white flower. Exception or deviation we found for capital R and small r. This is heterozygous genotype. This heterozygous genotype is pink flower. At first we got two plants. Male plant is capital R, its flower is red, whereas female plant has small r genotype, its flower is white. When this red flower plant is crossed with white flower plant, gametes, capital R gametes are created from two capital R, from two capital R, one capital R comes to male gamete. From small r, one small r comes to female gamete. In case of fertilization, capital R and small r are crossed and produce the genotype capital R, small r. Its flowers are pink flower. This is exceptional. According to Mendel's first law, in case of F1, we get dominant character, but we get here a intermediate character between red and white flower. So this is deviation from Mendel's law or exception to Mendel's law, because here dominant characteristics, if it is red, it is not expressed in F1. Instead of red color, we found here pink flower. Then when we cross capital R, small r with capital R, small r, these are heterozygous flower, heterozygous flower plant. These flowers are pink. We got two types of gametes from capital R and small r. Capital R and small r comes from male flower and also come from female flower. When capital R and capital R mated, they produce red flower. When capital R, small r are mated, they produce pink flower. When small r, capital R are mated, they produce pink flower. When small r and small r are fertilized, they produce white flower. Here we got genotypic ratio capital R 1, capital R small r 2 and small r 1. Phenotypic ratio red 1, pink 2 and white 1. This pink flower is the deviation from Mendel's law. According to Mendel's law, we got red flower or white flower which is dominant. We do not get dominant characteristics in heterozygous condition. So this is the deviation of Mendel's first law. Thanks to remain with me. Please subscribe my channel. Please like and comment.